Exciting news for audio enthusiasts and Apple fans in China. Cupertino giant Apple has introduced the latest addition to its Beats sub-brand with the launch of the Beats Studio Pro headphones. Packed with cutting-edge features, these headphones promise an immersive audio experience like never before. The Beats Studio Pro headphones stand out for their advanced technologies, elevating the listening experience to new heights. One of the standout features is spatial audio, which allows users to enjoy a three-dimensional soundstage. With spatial audio, listeners can feel as if they are in the middle of the music, creating a sense of immersion that enhances the emotional connection to their favorite tracks. The Beats Studio Pro headphones are not only packed with advanced audio technologies, but also offer a stylish and comfortable appearance that caters to the preferences of discerning users. Available in 4 attractive color options: navy blue, sandstone, dark coffee, and black, the headphones showcase a classic appearance with the iconic Side B logo visible from a distance, signifying the quality and brand recognition of Beats. Comfort is a top priority with the Beats Studio Pro, as it features upgraded UltraPlush padded earmuffs. These soft and luxurious ear cushions enhance the overall ergonomics, allowing users to wear the headphones for extended periods without experiencing discomfort or fatigue. Additionally, the adjustable rods offer multiple tension levels, ensuring a perfect fit for any head size, further contributing to the overall comfort. When it comes to sound quality, the Beats Studio Pro doesn't disappoint. Equipped with a 40mm custom drive unit, these headphones deliver improved clarity and ultra-low distortions, even at high volumes. Compared to its predecessor, the Beats Studio 3, the performance of the Beats Studio Pro is up to 80% better, providing a significant boost in audio fidelity and an enhanced listening experience. The Beats Studio Pro offers an all-around adaptive active noise reduction, allowing users to enjoy their music without distractions from the surrounding environment. With the press of a button, users can switch to transparent mode, which lets in outside sounds and conversations, making it easier to stay aware of one's surroundings when needed. Furthermore, the spatial audio function on the Beats Studio Pro takes the listening experience to a whole new level. By delivering 360 degrees of surround sound, the headphones create a three-dimensional audio environment, making users feel as if they are in the center of the soundstage. Additionally, the headset supports dynamic head tracking, which further enhances the spatial audio experience by adjusting the sound direction based on the user's head movements. Moreover, the Beats Studio Pro showcases a 27% improvement in voice clarity over its predecessor, ensuring crystal clear communication during phone calls and voice interactions. The Beats Studio Pro provides various connectivity options to cater to different user preferences. It supports Bluetooth 5.3 and 3.5mm wired connections, offering flexibility for both wireless and wired usage. The headphones also feature a lossless audio USB-C connection with 3 optimized sound effects, allowing audiophiles to enjoy high-quality audio with ease. Furthermore, the Beats Studio Pro seamlessly integrates with Apple-supported functions, enabling one-key pairing, easy access to Siri voice assistant, and compatibility with various iOS devices. Despite its Apple-centric features, the headphones are also compatible with Android devices, making them a versatile option for users across different platforms. In conclusion, the Beats Studio Pro headphones impress with their outstanding battery life of 40 hours on normal usage, reducing to 24 hours with active noise cancelling activated. The convenience of fast fuel flash charging ensures that users can quickly recharge their headphones to continue enjoying their favorite music. With an official launch date of August 10 and a price of 2,899 yuan or about $404, the Beats Studio Pro offers a compelling audio solution for those seeking top-notch performance and style. What do you think about the new headphones? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a good day and God bless you.